paper. Much though. I just wanted to make a couple. Some tape or glue. I'm using tape. You're gonna want to grab 2 strips of paper. And if you want to, you can measure them, but they're 1 inch long, or like wide like this, but I just cut them. 1, I don't really want to measure. 2, I don't really have a ruler anywhere. You want to make your strips like this. Tape. I do it like this, and I put it in the middle, like this. And also you'll be needing some scissors if you do the middle way, but it's easiest for me, and I cut it down the middle, but not the paper. Cut the tape, and then I fold the tape to stick to the sides, like this, and grab another piece of tape to put on the other side, and I'll show you once I'm done. The tape on the middle, and it should look like this. There's a special way, but there's different ways to do it, but it's easiest for me to do it like this. I got 3 done, but it just depends on how big you want it. So basically what you're gonna do after you like put it in like an L shape, you're gonna want to fold like, so this one is like overlapping this, so you want to fold it this way, and then once I'm done, or like this, then you fold it the other way, and then you just keep doing it over and over until you get to the end, which I'll show you when I'm done with all 3, or just every one of them. Done, it should look like this, and if you have like a little bit of an extra that's like not all the way like folded, then you like grab some tape. Hold on, let me get a shorter piece, and you put it on there like this, and then you like take it up, and then you fold it like this, and then same for this part because it's sticking up. So grab it, put it on, and stick it in. And that's the first one done, and I'll see you when I have the other 2 done. It should be able to do this, but I'll do the other 2. Bye. This is it so far. I'm gonna actually cut off 1 or 2 cents. Put some tape. forgot to record, but after you're done with all the strips, you like tape them together on both sides, and then you tape the two ends together and go like this. And it stretches, so you can like wear it as a bracelet and take it anywhere. And you can make different sizes, but that was the, I don't really know what it's called, but like, I don't know. It's just a paper fidget, and my next video will probably be like fake shopping for fidgets. Like, I'm about to record it like right now, but it's like with all my stress balls and well, I'm not really taking all my stress balls because I'm at my mom's work right now, and like some of my real fidgets, and I just got a new fidget, so that's gonna be my next video. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.